What if we could design a solar system from scratch, perfectly tailored for human survival and expansion? Prepare to have your mind blown as we explore 9 hypothetical planets, each engineered for a specific purpose in humanity's grand cosmic plan. Number 1. Imagine a planet virtually identical to Earth, a pristine twin ready to welcome humanity in case of disaster. Terra Nova would be our ultimate insurance policy, a haven against existential threats. This planet would boast similar gravity, atmosphere, and climate to our home world. It would be seeded with Earth's flora and fauna, ensuring a familiar and sustainable ecosystem. Number 2. Aethel, a massive planet rich in rare earth minerals and precious metals, would fuel our technological advancements. Its dense core would be a treasure trove of resources. Mining operations on Aethel would be automated and highly efficient. This planet would provide the raw materials needed for advanced technologies and space infrastructure. Number 3. Solara, a gas giant strategically positioned closer to the star, would be dedicated to energy production. Its atmosphere would be optimized for solar energy collection. Advanced orbital platforms would harness Solara's immense energy output. This energy would be beamed back to other planets, powering our civilization's needs. Number 4. Aquaprime, a planet covered almost entirely in water, would be our primary source of this vital resource. Its oceans would be teeming with unique marine life. Automated water processing facilities would extract and purify water for transport. Aquaprime would ensure a constant supply of water for all our colonies. Number 5. Arelon, a planet with a dense and easily manipulated atmosphere, would be dedicated to atmospheric processing. It would filter and refine gases for various uses. This planet would be crucial for creating breathable atmospheres on other worlds. Arelon would be a vital component in our terraforming efforts. Number 6. Crystalline, a planet with unique geological formations and unusual energy fields, would serve as a dedicated research outpost. Its anomalies would be studied extensively. Scientists would explore crystalline's mysteries, unlocking new scientific breakthroughs. This planet would be a hub for cutting-edge research and development. Number 7. Gateway, strategically located on the outer edge of the solar system, would serve as a launch pad for interstellar missions. It would be a hub for exploration and discovery. Advanced spacecraft and research vessels would be stationed at Gateway. This planet would be our stepping stone to the stars, enabling us to reach distant worlds. Number 8. Arcadia, a planet teeming with diverse ecosystems and unique life forms, would be a protected biosphere reserve. It would be a sanctuary for biodiversity. Strict regulations would prevent exploitation and ensure the preservation of Arcadia's natural wonders. This planet would be a testament to our commitment to conservation. Number 9. Bastion, a heavily fortified planet equipped with advanced defense systems, would protect our solar system from external threats. It would be our first line of defense. Orbital defense platforms and planetary shields would safeguard our civilization. Bastion would ensure our security and survival in the face of unknown dangers. These 9 planets, each designed with a specific purpose, represent a vision of an optimized solar system. They offer a glimpse into a future where humanity thrives among the stars, secure and prosperous. What do you think of this optimized solar system? Which planet excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Explore the possibilities and join the conversation about humanity's future in space.